But at the same time, what I usually propose them is that you are going to feel the needs in the market, So why do you want to, for example, propose a digital banking company? Why do you want to propose a crypto company? Because you're filling a gap in the market, in your opinion. In your opinion, there is a missing gap in the market and you are filling the gap with your product. So what I suggest them is try to find a way to fill that gap and to bring the product into the market without, the usual route and usual rails, that everyone else is doing. So you, for example, talking about digital banking or payment, someone needs to bring money from point A to point B. And usually they do that, for example, sending a bank transfer or paying with their cards. Try to find a way to do the same kind of things in a different way. For example, before Mika, it was easier, of course, but stablecoin was a very good example. We had cross-border payments that were very, very complex until 1 year and a half, 2 years ago. You needed, a bank, or most of the cases, two banks in order to move money from, for example, Europe to North Africa, and you would need it to be settlements and remittance in different currencies between the two of them. And in order to do that, you needed a banking license and you needed an e-money license. You needed a third-party provider to settle the two currencies. So a huge amount of money involved, huge amount of people involved. Right now with stable coins, you can actually do that with the same exact currency, always, for example, trading the same exact, assets with no people involved in the middle. That's the kind of, innovation and the kind of, workaround that you need into the market in order to be able to solve a problem without following the same path that everyone else is doing. I know that is not easy at all. And in some cases, it's not going to be possible because if you want to propose bank account in the market, there's no way around it. You will need a banking license. So that's basically it. But apart from that, there is always, a very good way to propose a new product, a new innovation into the market without stepping always in the same kind of problems and the same kind of, loop and cycles.